What is up, baddies and boys? It's the sweetie ShonJolie, and as you can tell by the title, today's video will be how I easily remove ghost bond from all my frontals. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by just wetting the frontal. I won't be washing this entire unit in this video. This is where our focus is going to be. I make sure to use just hot water, so you might want to be careful on this part. Everybody know you don't need to be putting your hands under no hot water, but I like to think I got tough hands. But anyways, you just get that completely wet. I feel like it helps with cleansing all that sweat and just oils from your skin and your hair from this area during this time. Right here I am showing you that I use Dawn dish detergent, yes, dish detergent, around my frontal hairline to get the glue off. It cuts through like anything, like that's what it's made for. It says to cut through like grease and stuff obviously on your dishes, but it definitely cuts through this glue and gets it off. I do have another method of doing this, which is with a toothbrush, and it helps with scrubbing that off of there without having to use your fingers, but I like to use my fingers sometimes, or sometimes when I just don't feel like dealing with all this, I'll use a toothbrush. You can also get like a basin, or like a you can also get like a bowl with super just hot steaming water. You can flip the wig and you can just put the lace part in it with the dish detergent and let it sit for a while, and then come back and the glue will literally like peel off. So it's two different methods to this, to getting this off very easily. As you can see, I'm just pulling the glue off with like no hard work. I'm scrubbing here, but that's just because I want to get it very clean, because it's been on my hairline for like almost 2 weeks now. So yeah, please do be careful when you are scrubbing and rubbing in these different areas on your frontal, because you can run into tearing if you're being too rough, of course. And I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this portion up because I'm just washing the frontal. So now I'm just going back in again with just steaming hot water, and in a few moments you'll see me peeling off excess glue that's just kind of lingering around and stuff like that. But for the most part, everything is off of the lace. And for our last step, I'm just going to go in with some conditioner, whatever conditioner that you like to use that works well with your weaves and wigs is what you can use. I'm going in to pretty much just condition the lace in that area, being that I've been rubbing and scrubbing and stuff like that. And like I said, I just feel like it helps with keeping the lace soft and just in good shape. So you don't have to do this, but I do this. I also let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on what I'm doing, and then I come back and I rinse it all out with cool or lukewarm water. And that's pretty much it. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to somebody, and as usual, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one. It's like 4 a.m. and I'm tired. Bye y'all.